Hi guys. Hello everyone. Something is off with my mic. It wasn't like that before. Oh, I see. Okay. Good morning guys. Happy Wednesday. Hello everyone. Oops. Mic. Up. Guys, how are you? How's your morning? Did you survive in this amazing price? I forgot to do this. Amazing price action. Did you survive, guys? Good morning. Sorry. Today we need to be careful, not because it's Wednesday, because it's NVIDIA earnings after market close. So yeah, guys, yeah. So let's see if we can get... Damn, I already tired to say this, guys, seriously. Let's see if we're gonna get low of the week today. But honestly speaking, it can happen like after market close, after NVIDIA will release its earnings. So yeah. I mean, technically, yes, you're talking about accumulation, manipulation, distribution here, but at the same time, I know, like, it's questionable. But what I noticed, ignoring this year completely, how it was, like, used to be before, when we had, like, big earnings, like, such as NVIDIA, Microsoft, and so on, market tends to be in trend, like, market moving so well before earnings, like, it's really just trend day, especially IM session. And then like a little bit of chop during PM session, and after market close, we're getting like nice another move. So let's see if it's gonna work today as well. Once again, I don't want to talk about this year, but it used to be like that in 2025, 2024. So we were trading inside trend, like nice trend day. Daniel, it's coffee today. I got my tea this morning. My son did not finish this, so I finished this. You know which I bought? Like it calls English tea, just like normal black tea, and just add milk. Yeah, with sugar it tastes better because I remember from my childhood. But once again, I don't eat sugar, so it's fine. What a garbage! I wanted to go lower. Just like a little bit of jumps here, but that's exactly what I wanted to see yesterday. Let's see if we're gonna drop to daily fair value gap maybe. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. How are you, Barbara? So far we're doing good. Asia session. I cannot trade Asia. I mean, I can observe price action, but I don't have time to trade Asia. Cannot like really analyze. But I believe short on ES was nice. I saw this. Gold was also good. I still want to see lower. Like really, I want to see we hitting daily fair value gap. Yesterday I had time to analyze like what happened last week and this week on SPX. We getting main move before 10. I mean setup force before 10. Then delivery happens either before 10 or after 10, but right after this is just chop. So I was thinking like maybe I'm not gonna wait for like, let's say, just pull back to gap on SPX. I'm gonna just trade this pullback. I mean, not going to wait for pullback and reaction. I'm gonna trade pullback. And that's it. So just, I don't know, guys. It's better to protect myself from chop. So right now 76.67. 10 points. I mean, 10 points not that bad, but seems like we're gonna have small gap. Let me see which I have. You said... Well, first one I have this at home, but it's not this one. I'm gonna show you which one I have. English. See? Now I need to find which one I have. This one. This one what I have. This one is good. It's huge one. I don't remember how many packs here, but like a lot. This one is good. You can buy this like on Costco. It used to be in Costco on Amazon. Good one. Then mix this with milk. Damn, so good. So you were able to add a lookout feature? Pardon me. What happened? What happened? Okay, let me connect accounts. Once again, I feel like we're gonna just trade this retracement on SPX. This is gonna be smart, I guess. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, but this one is nice. I have this at home, but I like that one that I showed you before. Also good one. Good morning, guys. Danielle, do you mix this with milk or like, nope, with sugar? Because I have that one, $20, but it's huge one. Like it's like 100 packs need. My bias, guys, this week I don't have bias. Like seriously, we just trade inside consolidation. I mean, we get some small expansions and consolidation. Daily chart looks ugly, so I will just try to react. I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish, just we will see. I don't mind to see Wednesday forms low of the week, which sounds like I'm bearish, but I'm not really bearish. I just don't mind to see move down first. So yeah, if I can short today, I wouldn't mind. That's what I'm trying to say. But it doesn't mean like I'm bearish or bullish. It means nothing. Yeah, I mean, guys, open floor chart, open daily chart, you will see that we see nothing here. Look at this. Entire week, nothing happened. See, nothing happened. Like, seriously hard to say. So we will see, guys. Okay? I don't know yet. Yeah, it depends on market. So let's see how we're gonna open and how we're gonna trade today. Robert, you know what? I remember you said like 2 days ago you want to see 76.40. I still want to see 76.40 as well. I truly believe you need to form lows a week. But today is NVIDIA earnings. I was wondering like maybe we're gonna get this low like after market close. Good morning, Vasya. Good morning. I want to see NQ going to 28,800. So once again, how it used to be before, like in 2025, 2024, when we had like big earnings, not like small one, big earnings, market was inside the trend during IM session. NQ also is a mess. So it used to be like nice trend days during IM session. Then PM was just chop, and after market close, we get like let's say NVIDIA earnings, Apple, Microsoft, whatever, big earnings, and market moved so well as well. So if we can get nice expansion during IM session, I wouldn't mind to get this finally. But once again, I'm not gonna wait for 10. Seriously, I'm ready to risk on SPX if it really wants to like fill the gap or at least hit 62%. So we're gonna open approximately like here near liquidity levels, which is good for us because we can work with these liquidity levels. Then what's that? I guess it's my old one. Oh yeah, it's old one. Yeah, this one is correct. What was that? Oh, luck. Da-da-da. Okay. We have sell side here. We're gonna open near 60s, guys. We're gonna open near 60s, so it's gonna be near liquidity levels, which is good for us once again. Because we might trace to OT of the gap, so we may try to scalp long for like 10, 15 points. Then we will see how we're gonna play. Right? Let's try to kill this today. Hope you're gonna have bigger gap. So I hope it's gonna sell off a little bit before market open. So we're gonna have good gap on SPX to anticipate reactions there. For chap? Okay. Honestly, when I was saying this before, we were getting nice trades, but we should get nice W today. You turned 24 today. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, we're gonna have nice like 15 points gap. It runs so on SPX. I mean, still 18 minutes left, we will see, but yeah. I may actually scalp longs to this level. Not getting many trades this week, which is, I would say, good. 960. Let me see. You know, Robert, what we can get? We can get leg down, then move up. So we will see, because I probably want to scalp long to OT of RTH gap on SPX today. I don't trade with my funded futures, so I mean, I can read like the rules if you want to review this, but what do you think of the SMT today with YM and ES? You know what? I mean, I don't really consider SMT with YM when I trade ES and NQ, because I would say 90% of the time YM lives her own life. So it just moves up completely opposite direction to ES and NQ, or like just mass. So don't really want to treat like SMT with YM as an important level, honestly. I mean, I can check if you want my funded futures. And you know what? Like, when we have this kind of chop, like, I don't think SMT is like really important now. And guys, I'm on 15-minute chart right now. See, we see nothing. Look at it. Oh God, I already chart. Oh, it's just garbage, guys. It's just such a garbage. On gold, looking for lower. CL yesterday hit our level at 80. Remember we discussed this yesterday that we want to see drop from this hourly level to all the way down to blue line. This happened, but happened like at London. I mean, we got a nice drop at 4, so. Looking for the test of daily fair value gap on gold. I was looking at honestly yesterday during PM session, but as always, Asia delivered nicely. No complaints. No complaints. You know what, guys? First of all, it's August. Second, guys, NVIDIA earnings today. Be ready for this. Okay. You know, I mean, you're right. Like, is this price action great for 2 micros with 25 points target? But I don't know if it's me, because for me, it's way easier to find a big move, but scalp move, like really small move, I cannot frame this. I cannot frame like, let's say, 10 points on NQ, but I can frame like 100 points on NQ. I know, probably that's me, my issue. Good morning, guys. How are you guys? How's your morning? Well, did Apex? But no, I didn't hear about this. I mean, no, obviously no. Asia wasn't bad. I saw yesterday drop. It was perfect. Nice drop on gold. Need to see more to downside. I wouldn't mind to see like the sell and through this 50% of fair value gap. I don't want to see big reaction. Still would like to see more. Like here. Like same as yesterday, just super slow at this delivery. Like super slow. It's annoying. Oops. Damn, Dasha, what's wrong with you today? New York IM is garbage. Like I don't like to see like what is like when it's bad price action or good price action. It's impossible to trade or so. But guys, it's stupid. Yeah, Robert, I like this as well. Let's see if we're gonna get nice trade. I believe we need to get minor pullback up, and it's gonna be pullback to SPX gap. Then drop, yes. Hope to get something good. Set again today? I wouldn't say so. Nope. Not really. Not really. I never said. Sometimes I can be disappointed in something, but I'm like, okay, today. Woke up. Honestly, woke up today at 5:45. I was like, my alarm set at 6:03. You know, guys, I put like just... I cannot set alarm at 6 a.m. or at 7:15, 7:10. I always put like just weird numbers. 6:03, like 7:14, 7:11. But yeah, I woke up at 5:45. Was like, what time is this now? 5:45. I have like 15 minutes of sleep. Actually, 18 minutes of sleep. Let me sleep. Because, guys, 18 minutes, that's a lot. For me, like 18 minutes, like it's a whole night of sleep. Yeah, sometimes I feel like it's time to wake up in my dream. And I'm waking up and feel like it's still nice time to sleep. Oh, I hate it. When I hear mosquito near, like flying next to me, I have to cover myself. And damn, guys, it's super hot, and you have to stay under the blanket because you don't want to get bite by mosquito. And it's super hot under this blanket, but you cannot find this in this dark, this dumb mosquito to kill this. That's me. That's a lot of extra sleep, right? What does it mean when Michael says be careful today? You sure you want to know this? I mean, it's fine. Hello, hello. I see your message. Hello. Well, Michael says be careful. This means Don't take any trades. From our experience, every single time when Michael said, be careful, every single time, we took a loss. So for us, it's a signal if Michael here in saying, be careful, just take no trades. Close all possible positions you have now. Strategies I trade available on my website. Let me send the link. Just in case, maybe it's really hard to understand my accent. I mean, I get it. Let me send link, guys, for lessons. Actually, let me tag you. It can be just that. Trust me, it can. Oh, seriously? But I didn't know about this. Hello, guys. Hello. I'm doing good. How are you guys? Dasha, how are you? How do you feel? Everything is okay? Are we gonna kill this? Of course. I mean, we will try. Damn, you said be careful, that long not consolidation. You know, guys, I truly believe it's gonna be a good AM session. I truly believe it's gonna be a good AM session. Good to see this, Pasha. Good to see. Kinda looking a little up today. You don't have it? Daniel! Come on. Remember, we look at this life with smile. We ignoring like noise. We ignoring the shit that we have in our life. Just smile. I mean, we're trying. The short, you talking about this? Huh? What's the game plan? Wait for market open, trust the process, wait for our setup. That's the plan. That's the plan. Okay. Let's hope to get, let me see. Let's hope to get manipulation up first. Market gonna open in 4 minutes. We're gonna have nice gap, which is around like 10 points, which is good. We have gap to work with. So you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind to short today. On my indicators, I mean, they're pretty much straightforward. I mean, I can, obviously. Why is a mass trading plan complicated? What is a mass trading plan? Oh, you know, this month I learned like, I'm not gonna be married to my bias anymore. If I see like short, according to my model and context tells me like it's short, I'm gonna short. Seriously, guys, so how many mistakes was made this month? Guys, a lot. So I'm not going to stick to bias anymore. Like I'm really going, if I see like invalidation of my bias, I'm gonna flip this easily. Waiting for September. Green on this month, which is, by the way, interesting and surprising for me. But so many losses, guys. This month, so many losses. I took more losses this month than for the last 3 months, guys. For the last 3 months, this month I took more losses than for the last 3 months. I mean, I'm not disappointed about this, but it's annoying. It's annoying. But still ended up in green, which is good. Blue summer vals. Summer vals. Did I say some? It's not summer vals. But once again, guys, in July, I told you, like, I'm mentally ready for August. I'm mentally ready for lots of losses. Because last year, 2 years ago, I had same performance. So I was ready for this. So no complaints. Still keep moving, so, like, just need to survive. Because, guys, you need to understand, like, we're not going to have good months every single month, right? So if July was nice, it doesn't mean, like, August will be nice. If September, October, they were nice, it doesn't mean, like, November will be nice, right? Our goal is to try to adjust to this market condition somehow, right? Ow. Guys, I trade in ES mostly, and I believe this month I was trading ES like 90% of the time with 4 or 5 micros. My risk was $200, $250 sometimes. Well, on Friday, I was trading evaluations. I was down 600 something. Yeah. But yeah, blue vals this month, a lot of vals this month, but didn't blow any funded, which is good. Actually, green on my funded. Took some losses on funded, but still good. Yes, Frank, how are you? Okay, market will open in 1 minute. Thank you. I have nice friends from South Korea, by the way. They're also traders. Love them. Bella, if you're here, I love you. Well, guys, market is gonna open in 2 seconds. Let's switch on the SPX. I need to see a retracement to... oh, look at this. Liquidity taking. I want to see retracement here. Now or in 5 minutes, I want to see there. Immediately. August horrible. August was horrible. My performance is like horrible. Still green, but blue lots of vals. Annoying. Somehow recovered my another set of evaluations because I was like it recovered. I was like $900, $900 in drawdown left on all my accounts, evaluation accounts, not funded. On funded, I'm doing good. Now I have like $2,500 in drawdown, which is good. Recovered completely. Gym outfit, yeah, it was. I was dropping my kids to school, so I didn't change the dress, didn't change the clothes. So still guys waiting for pullback to OT of SPX gap. Seems like we're not gonna trade the situation because we don't have structure to work with yet. Just one single up close candle on 2-minute chart. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We need to get pullback to this gray area. Why? Who can tell me why we need to get pullback to this area? Now, type answer in the chat. I'm gonna come back now. Why I want to see this gray area? Let me know. Okay, I don't see answers, guys. Oh, liquidity taken, yes. So near liquidity taken first 15 minutes, that's a key moment here, right? So near liquidity taken first 15 minutes, we anticipate to get pulled back to OT, right? Classic example, textbook example here, exactly. See, guys, you know this. You know this. Textbook delivery. I wish we had like structure to long this, but we didn't have. It's fine. Just happy to see it work today. Textbook, yes. Yes. By the way, guys, if you're trying to say, like, if you're like trying to like make fun of my accent, I actually like it. So you can do this. Not gonna be upset because it's just saying. I mean, I like when you're trying to like make jokes on it. It's always funny for me as well. With black glasses. Okay, got it. So let's see if we're gonna get the closure. Still looks good to me. Yeah. Keep sweeping this level. Nothing is going on so far. See, I can read people's minds. Damn, that's funny. Damn, look at this reaction from OTU. Good. Nice reaction. Absolutely amazing. Need to get 4. How many brothers and sisters? I have 1 sister. I know, guys. I know. Where is Mandalo? Because Mandalo will be my TP. For shorts. It's over here, right? Oh, God. Big drop at this point. Once again, when we have big earnings, we used to, like, it used to be nice trend day before. Let's see if it's gonna be nice trend day. Your sister is mine. Yes. Angry Trading Q. Yes. I just said I have a sister. I didn't say anything else. And a key moment, guys, if you're new on my channel, it's a twin sister. 2 minutes apart. By the way, guys, thank you for the recommendation of these protein bars. I bought this because you recommend me. David, or how to call this. Thank you so much. It's good. About the no, Maxim. Yeah, thank you so much. I bought this because of you. Build. Where can I find them? Like Amazon? I'm gonna finish this one first. Oh, Build. I have this at home. It's palm oil ingredients. So I have this at home. I bought this in Costco. It's good. But bad ingredients. Unfortunately. Coconut is nice. Nice flavor. But palm oil. That's bad. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. Never mind. It's different charts. Nice sweep. Nothing else. Did not close above 70.5%, but once it gets into the closure, we're gonna fill the gap and go to this buy side here. Let me change why it's blue. It must be like this. I'm wondering if we're gonna get the closure above 70.5%. If so, maybe that's gonna be valid. We will see. Not valid yet. I didn't take any trades yet, guys. So still flat. Like, didn't even try. We don't have structure for longs. We don't have structure for shorts. Just flat. Still dispecting OT. We never got the closure above 70.5%. It's still valid. Possible reversal. Because continuation will be once we get in the closure above 70.5%. At this point, yeah. I'm gonna trade ES, but it's SPX chart. You can see at the bottom of your screen. Keep waiting. Nothing is going on so far. MAS. So once again, I'm not gonna pay attention to the ES chart. I'm gonna just trade SPX levels. Daniel jumped over. We opened above this level, but we never closed above this level. That's important to understand this. Now, Daniel, it's not trade structure. We need to get the closure of the candle. Keep this in mind. Closure. And that's it. Still chilling. Come on, gold. Can you please hit daily fair value gap? Stop the stupid games. Yeah, I mean, we may try to long, but let's get the closure first. Unless it's gonna be like fast move up to buy side. I mean, also possible. I'm gonna trade, guys, ES today. ES. Looking for maybe something like this. But I need to get the closure first. So maybe it's gonna bounce without me. Also possible, also possible. Accepting this fact as well. So just waiting now. Nothing is valid yet. 50 seconds left. So if you're trying to get like funded next futures, highly recommend to try their daily plan, Rapid Daily. I really like it. The no reason to buy so many accounts. Get just like one or two first. Try to get payouts in scale. I always recommend, like, guys, if I trade, like, I personally trade with 40 funded, more right now. But, you know, you don't need to buy like 20 accounts like right away, right? Just pass one, get payout, scale. Pass another one, get payout, scale. Like, slowly do this. Don't waste your money, seriously. Do this one by one. We just got the closure. Let's see if you're gonna stay above. Market makers, can you please stop this chop? I'm just asking. Just asking, like, stop this chop, offer solid move. We don't mind this, please. I know, kind of, maybe I will scalp long. Now, I like it. This one. Let's see, maybe we'll scalp this one. We'll put my stop loss slightly. Let's see. Fuck. Never mind. I didn't even have time to play this damn long. Are you kidding me? Fuck! Dasha, you don't hate this market. It's okay. It's alright. No, did I say I don't hate this? Oh god, I didn't even play the trade. It could be trade of the day. Okay, guys. Not funny. It's okay, Dasha. Guys, how you play this so fast? Why laughing? Because I want to cry. Better to laugh than cry. Fuck. Did I say fuck this market? Well, whatever. Thanks, SPX, for a nice delivery. You're the best. We could be good friends. I mean... Okay, guys, I know it was funny. Not going to reject this. It was funny. I mean, I'm happy to see how ugly right now ES and NQ, but how good SPX. It's fine. Just, it's okay. Keep waiting. Be strong. We never give up. Yes. We just never give up. Yes. Okay. Focus. What happened on ES? Nothing. Nothing happened on ES. I kind of maybe don't mind to see 77.01 now. We closed above weekly open. We closed above daily open in New York, midnight open. Let's see if we're gonna push slightly higher. We set minor buy side here, but I kind of don't mind to see maybe 77.01. USB device not recognized. Good to know. Last USB device, what? I need to find USB cord that doesn't work because it keep pumping like message about like USB not recognized every 5 seconds. It's super annoying. Need to find USB that doesn't work. Previous daily high level good target? Maybe. Not recognized. How to find USB that not recognized? Like, good question. Sorry, guys. I don't know which one. I have so many USBs on my computer. I have like 5 lamps. I have 4 monitors. I have like, I know, like 30 USBs at least, plus 2 mouses, 2 keyboards. So I know which one. It is. I cannot unplug every single one. I still kind of like this equal highs here. So let's see if we're gonna continue going there. I still want to see another leg. Let's see if we're gonna catch this. Long. The test of daily open. Let's see what can happen next. Maybe we're gonna catch this, which will be good. Chasing back to 70.5%. So basically retracing there. Equal highs remains higher. So SPX bounce basically created another equal highs. I mean, absolutely amazing move up. I like it. It's really good one, but I feel like we didn't take any like significant level yet. So let's see if we're gonna stay above. So we will try this one. Let me connect my list accounts as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connecting them as well. Let's see if you're gonna hold 70.5%. What happened here? Feels like it left unfinished business higher. Let's see equal highs first. Still trying to stay above New York midnight open. Still trying to respect this level. Let's see, I'm interested in probably scalp longs on SPX. Same trade idea. Different targets, I guess. Let's see. Interesting long soon. Let me switch on 2-minute chart. I might scalp this one. I like SPX left. I want to try this one, I guess. Still respecting 70.5%. Respecting 2-minute OB. Stop loss gonna be like over here at 25%. So basically I'm gonna give this room for a pullback, right? I like it. Quick check on 2-minute chart. Quick check of 3-minute chart. Quick check of 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Yeah. I mean, I guess we need to try, right? Looks good. I want to see SPX hitting equal highs. Sorry, guys. We'll take partial once we hit equal highs. Would like to see equal highs taken. Last time it went without me. I just didn't have time to execute. Where's approximately? It's like 4 points higher. It's gonna be my partial. So it's around here, like 7,700 is equal highs. Nice risk here, not a big one. Let's see if you're gonna smash this equal highs. I like it. It could be final TP on our first long, but I simply didn't have time to like enter. It was super fast. Need to be careful because I need to. My base hit on Lucid is smaller, so I will cut Lucid completely. Let's hit this equal highs, please. Tap it. No, don't generate liquidity here, please. Just run there. Tap me. Okay. How much a profit on Lucid? Because I need to be careful. On Lucid, I need to close early. Yeah, we'll start closing Lucid accounts here. So completely close the trade on Lucid. Because it's my base hit there. Holding on trade if I take profit trade on Apex accounts. Yeah, realized one. 260, nice on Lucid. Okay, guys, quick W here. Close Lucid completely out because it's my base hit. On Lucid. We'll take another partial for 10 points here. Where's my entry? Like, what is my average? 1 second. Let me see because I can't see. 70. Okay, it's over here. And final TP gonna be previous daily high level. We just took RTH high, so that's why we partialed. Would like to lock 10 points, another partial. Just to lock some profit. And let's see how it goes next. My trade on SPX worked, so that's why I closed Lucid accounts completely. So as you can see on Lucid, I closed completely for my base hit, like completely. On TradingView still holding after small partial. On Epic still holding, CPT still holding. It's evals, my TPT evals, I don't trade them. Now, still holding the rest of accounts. But Lucid is the most important. I closed my partial. Not partial, my base hit. It's my base hit there on my 50K direct accounts. On Lucid, on TradingView and Lucid, I'm doing good. Let's see if I can lock 10 points. Just 10 points. I'm not going to play with this market anymore. Nice, I'm happy with this. A little bit of profit so I can request another payout with Lucid. Just a little bit of more profit. Ideally, guys, we had to enter here, over here. But once again, let's imagine, let's just imagine we entered, so it stopped us out. We got sweep of this order block, so our entry was okay. First trade was okay. Would like to just lock 10 points here. And I will leave one micro to, I don't know, previous daily high level? Maybe. What time is this now? Oh, it's 10. That was close to hit 10 points. At least I'm green on the day, which is the most important for me. See, I don't even look at NQ and ES. I just execute on SPX. Because my strategy on SPX was so good. We're approaching overlap gap. Still this overlap area from, what day? From August 20. And funny to say, because on Monday and Tuesday, my model worked as well. I was just stupid. Especially on Monday. Model was there. What the fuck? I didn't take this long on Monday. Instead, I took short because I was thinking you know what? My model not going to work today. And DQ, I don't drink alcohol. You know what? I stopped eating sugar, chocolate bars, cakes. Add syrups to my coffee. September 2025. Same time, I stopped drinking alcohol as well. Year ago. You know, guys, what I realized? I stopped drinking, eating sugar September 2025, and it feels like it was couple of months ago, but guys, 12 months ago. It's already a year. How is it even possible? It's already a year. Time flies. Screen optimizer. No. It was about to turn off my monitor. Yes, I feel like my skin is better now, really better now. And overall body, quality of my body is way better now, which is really, really good. Give me 10 points. My average 175, so it's actually here. Okay, give me 10 points, please. Not asking a lot, just 10 points. I do like this gap higher now. Let's feel this overlap area since last week. We stuck at RTH high. Sorry guys, a bit hot. In the office now. We stuck inside like RTH high, which is like, that's why we partial there, which is like, was smart. It was smart. Let's get another leg up. Give me 10 points on this move. I'm not asking a lot, just 10 points. So I'm like relaxed now because I already locked some profit on all my accounts. And funny to say, because now I execute 35 accounts. 35 accounts. And I got pretty much same feel. I got same feel on 35 accounts. So no slippage today. That's good. You think it needs small pullback? I mean, ideally, no. Ideally, I would offer small pullback after 10 points. Because it's just one micro left. Aha! Hit me. Oh, yeah. Okay, micro left. Just one micro contract left. Now, do whatever you want. Like, really. Which perfume? I have Apex. Right now I'm trading Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradify. With Lucid and Tradify, I have straight to funded accounts. So now if you want to offer pullback, I'm okay. Like, do whatever you want. I'm happy with this. So, especially like with Tradify and Lucid, thanks. Thanks. I appreciate this. We don't have a big range to work with. That's why 10 points for this move is a lot. I was born and raised in Belarus, guys. Seriously, guys, yesterday, before I went to bed, I was analyzing SPX. Like, I don't like to do this before, like, I go to bed, but I was analyzing SPX and I was wondering, like, what I could improve to avoid, for example, taking stupid losses. And realized, guys, on Monday, Tuesday, and even today, we could be, like, really good if you just stick to SPX model, nothing else. Because SPX worked 3 times. On Monday, Tuesday, and today. Which was extremely annoying because, once again, that's like a great example what happened on Friday. When you don't want to follow your model, when you don't want to like stick to your rules, you're going to get lost. Because on Monday, we got our setup, we got our model there. Instead, we just didn't follow this, which was kind of annoying. Dasha, what's their confirmation longs? Oh, yeah. You tell me where was confirmation on longs. It's classic SPX model here. Absolutely classic example. You tell me what happened here. I'm gonna explain why it's red. Because it was long signal. I didn't know how to, like, in this indicator show long signal. Or short signal, but once it changed the color, it's long signal. I'm gonna explain it from my lesson soon. Let me move this a little bit. Oh yeah, wait. Finally, solid trade. Finally, a great example of patience and discipline. That's annoying, Dasha, what you did like last 2 days. I mean, even yesterday, we wanted to short, and it was trade of the day. Today we longed, it also so far trade of the day. NQ still holding daily open, above daily open. We stuck at RTH high. We stuck at equal highs on SPX. So let's see what kind of confirmation gonna be here, because like we don't have shift in structure yet from these equal highs. But really, if market wants to like reverse here, I mean, I don't mind. We'll just wait to see what we can do here. I don't see 2-minute shift in structure yet on SPX to say like, you know what, guys, I'm okay with reversal from equal highs. Just not okay yet. I can be okay. Just let's get confirmation for this yet first. Because we don't have this yet. This one worked. I'm gonna just save this to add to journal later. This was set up. Let's see if we're gonna get 2-minute shift in structure. At this point, I really want to see if we're gonna get shift in structure. I mean, we don't have this yet. See this, guys? I want to see immediate pullback to 25% if we're gonna close with this place and below this black line. At this point, yes, we're gonna get another leg down. Also down to 25% of our RTH gap. Also according to the model. I'm gonna explain everything now, why it can be possible short, why it like changed the color to red here, and why it was long. Because once again, looking just on ES chart, I mean, you know what, on ES it wasn't bad as well, but looking just at the ES chart, it was kind of hard to frame. Set up, right? I'm gonna open lesson to explain, because I guess we're gonna get second trade today. Yeah, I'm gonna explain now. Just let's finish this trade first, okay? We may go down. Let's wait for 2-minute shift in structure. That's why we closed most position already. Just micro left. We're trying to learn how to hold runners. Trying to charge my whoop band, but damn, it's so heavy. 97% final. I can unplug this. Small profit, but you know what? I'm okay with this. With a small profit. I have so many accounts. This one is the Vals, by the way, over here. So I didn't trade them. It's just for, I decided to leave a Vals for shit price section. Small profit. But it's also always good, right? This one realized it's the same, so I like this as well. Millions accounts. Told you it's reversal. I mean, totally possible. Let's get 2-minute shift in structure, so to validate this. Short. I mean, we can short. We can short. It's gonna look like this, but I would like to cover. Maybe? Nice displacement here. Let's see if it's gonna be like this in 1 minute. If so, like, why not to try, right? But I'm not gonna trade in Lucid trade if I'm gonna lock accounts. Which is, by the way, a cool option. So what you can do, just click here and lock your accounts, for example, end of trading day. See? Log out until 5 p.m. I mean, I'm not gonna trade Lucid, I'm gonna just log them. Locking accounts close. Lock myself, please. So that's how it's gonna look. See, I just lock my Lucy account. I'm gonna lock TradingView as well, same way. We'll keep trading TPT and Apex later. So when it's locked until like 5 p.m., you cannot do anything with this. You cannot place any trades anymore in Lucid accounts, for example, now. Yeah. We'll do same with TradingView. Because it's always hard, like when you see, like, let's say $300 in profit, and like, maybe I want to make a little bit more, just a little bit more. No, look out yourself. Turtle soup entry. I'm not gonna trade in Q. I will trade a yes. I just decided, like, to do this. So in August, I'm not gonna trade in Q because in Q is bigger risk. I will trade ES with smaller risk, and if I'm like wrong, like, it's gonna be small loss, not that painful. Because even with 2 micros, sometimes in Q just like risky. Let's see if we're gonna get nice confirmation of shorts, because we can enter shorts, but already on Apex and TPT only, okay? I'm not gonna trade on my beautiful straight to fund accounts. Like, if not enough stress in your life, guys, you can try to trade NQ, for example. And yes, it's so. I mean, we still can make some money with this. Like, once again, no complaints. Let's see if it's gonna be fair value gap here. I'm just trying to see like what entry I would like to use for my short in case I'm gonna engage. Still holding this BPR on SPX. I mean, validation is here. Nice displacement, guys. It's definitely short is here already. I like it. Close this trade, please. I mean, I'm asking market makers, not you. We got fair value gap. Nice. Okay, what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna lock my TradingView as well. Let me do this real quick. Lock. TradingView lock. We will take profit trade on Apex. Lock. 2 more, okay. Lock. Amazing. And 1 more. Okay. So 10 accounts locked completely for the day. See? Gonna disconnect them and let's trade on other accounts, the rest of accounts. Okay, let's wait for setup now. Let me disconnect my Lucid, my TradingView. Oops. My TradingView. Gonna wait for another trade. This one not locked, okay. Yeah, I found it. So basically what happened here, we retraced to the top of RTH gap. Definitely, sorry guys, we have room to go higher. Gonna chill a little bit. It's my own indie. Oh, okay, let's talk about this, guys, real quick. Since we're not on trade right now. Here's a model I trade on SPX. I share this for free with everyone. You will not find this information anywhere because it's my personal information. That's model that actually works so well. So we need to find in this section break of 70.5%. The best scenario for us, break of 70.5% of RTH gap. So let's say we broke above 70.5% and 2-minute candle closed above 70.5%. Same gonna work with shorts, by the way. But let's say 2-minute close, we got 2-minute closure above 70.5%. Above this level, we want to, once again on 2-minute chart, we want to try to long, and we anticipate to get what? We anticipate to get immediate gap fill. It's gonna be target number 1. It's usually one hour trade. Second target gonna be obvious liquidity level. For example, we got the closure on 2-minute chart above 70.5%, long to fill the gap, and then buy side. We got the closure below 70.5%, short to fill the gap, move towards the sell side. What happens after gap fill? So we have example here. Let's say we broke below 70, not here. We broke below 70.5%, we fill the gap, we took sell side. If draw remains higher at this point, in our case it's gonna be lower at this point. But let's say on this example, high time frame level still higher, right? So we took sell side, we completely fill the gap. It offered 2-minute shift in structure with 2-minute inversion for a value gap. We want to try to long using 2-minute shift in structure, and our first target gonna be 25%. So that's where we want to close the trade. Once candle breaks above 25%, we either can add to our position, or we can like re-enter long again and aim for high time frame level. Which means what? For example, we hit equal highs, we hit buy side after we fill the gap, so everything is perfect. That's why it changed red here, because we got the closure on 2-minute chart above 70.5%. We hit high time frame level, not really high time frame level, just liquidity level. It offered 2-minute shift in structure. What we want to see? We want to see an attempt to hit 25% now. If no reaction from 25%, we're gonna wait for the closure below 25%. Your second trade gonna look like this. Target will be Monday low. Where's Monday low? Tuesday. Where's Monday low? Oh, over here, okay. That's gonna be your trades. Make sense? I'm gonna post link in the chat, by the way, for this lesson. Indicator is available on my Discord. So that's indicator. As you can see, I can hide drawings, you will see it's still indicator. Damn, never hit this for a value gap. At the same time, let me check on a yes. No, never. I mean, I like shorts 25%. Let's just get entry for this. Gonna enter NQ long with buy step above. NQ. We'll see. Gold, what's wrong with you? Like, a real question. Can you please hit daily fair value gap? Damn, annoying. Did not hit fair value gap. Just really hard to enter here. Indicator thing. Thank you. Have we entered long? No, yes, we just closed long. Finally, we green on the day. Looking, I mean, I wanted to short this to 25%, but damn, it didn't hit like entry point. Fuck. Could be easy short here. Aye. Oh god, okay. Probably will take this one then. Just going without me, guys. Like, no FOMO right now. Obviously, I still want to see 25%, but it doesn't mean like I need to just short right now simply because... Sorry, guys. Simply because we drop... No. Just annoying. I want to see shorts at 25%. So, technically, another 5 points lower. Damn, SPX so good today. I am surprised, guys. Give me entry. Hey. Let's check ES and NQ real quick, guys. Backtesting here because on NQ we got the closure below New York Midnight Open. We're still fighting with New York Midnight Open on ES. As you can see, we just sweeping this level, no closure yet. I mean, maybe that's good for me because ES at this point still respecting New York Midnight Open, which is bullish. Bullish, not bullish, just like no deal shorts yet. Guys, okay. Sad. Could be easy short, whatever. Textbook example, guys, like damn. That's even crazy because it's in my lesson here. Guys, hold to 25% if you on yes. Do this for me, please. Okay. Once again, no form. I just don't like to see it's my model here, but I am not in this trade. My model was here and here. It's gonna be short opportunity. Damn. Dasha, don't look at this. It's not that painful. It's okay. Guys, if you're short in ES, can you hold to 25% just for me, okay? I'm not asking a lot. Just for me, hold to this level. Because I'm not in this trade. I once tried for a short from fair value. We never hit this. Okay. Nice market, guys. You know what? I mean, I like it. Seems like we don't have this fair value on MES. MES short, right? Wow, really, we don't have it. My face when this happens. No! Okay, good. I like it. Guys, can you partial here just for me, please? Textbook, fuck, textbook price action today. I want to short from fair value gap. It was a trade idea. Okay, we're gonna short this one. Guys, textbook price action. We'll short this one then. It's my third option of my model. Guys, if you can partial 25%, be smart, do this. I took only long so far. It never hit my entry point on shorts. Unfortunately. It's okay, we'll take this one. SPX for the win, seriously, guys. Okay, who are we to give up? We're gonna short this one. Right? Where it's gonna be, how big stop loss? Oh, it's actually a good one. Trying to just place here. According to our model, not this one, but this one. First scenario work out, right? Our first scenario work out here. Second scenario gonna be break above 25, below 25% in this case. On 2-minute chart, we're gonna, sorry guys, we're gonna try to short this, and we're gonna aim for higher from level. So stop loss, I'm not gonna put this below 70, above 70.5%. I will put this above the gap. So yeah, I'm gonna short this one. But I will trade on my TPT and Epix accounts. Okay, here's a trade idea. 10 points. Where is this on? Yes, we will see. But yeah, I'm willing to try. Once again, our third option here, right? That's our third option, third playbook here. We want to enter once price breaks at this point below 25% level. The ideal entry occurs with 2-minute candle closure below 25%, right? With an enter at the open of next candle. I'm not gonna open the open next candle. I'm just gonna a little bit wait. Stop loss gonna be for me personally above gap itself. Not going to put my stop loss above. I'm gonna show you now. 1 second. I'm not gonna put my stop loss above 70.5%. No. I think I'm gonna put this like over here. We want to partial at key level, right? And just hold to Monday low. I think so. Maybe. Probably. That's gonna be my final target. Okay, guys, let's see. Would like to enter soon. Textbook up, textbook down. Just fuck, such good price action for SPX. Let's see if third option play out. Chilling, waiting. I want to see Monday low. Where's Wednesday low? Oh, Wednesday's today. Right? But I will trade on my Apex and TPT. I'm already done on my Tradify and Lucid, so I'm not gonna like risk profit I made because it's basically my base hits. Let's see if you're gonna retrace back below 25%. I will try to Monday low. Chilling right now. Trying to stay below 25%. Nice. Yes, still above 9:30 AM open, but way below daily open, way below New York midnight open. Where's 10 AM open, by the way? Oh, it's lined up. Okay, whatever. It's same level. But we holding above this level as well on NQ. Okay. Not in rush, not in rush. Nothing yet. A bit choppy, but so far like A plus here. Nothing here yet. A bit choppy. I would like to see gold going down. I really want to see gold going to daily fair value gap. Gold, can you please hit this level? What was there? Like, you want to tell me you reversed like point away from daily fair value gap? Are you kidding me? What the heck is that? Ah. Okay, keep waiting. I'm not gonna lie, from what I see, NQ looks slightly more bullish comparing to ES. I'm not gonna lie, that's how I look at this now. I'm funny? Of course. Of course, of course, of course. Look how nice the action on oil from daily fair value gap. Good one. Oops. Sorry about this. Okay. Chill a little bit. What time is it now? 10:30? Come on. Easy price action, like seriously. My X account got this. I mean, I'm not X support. Probably we not cancel this yet. We have no reaction, so we're just waiting right now. So it's not like typical to get this kind of chop after we broke below 25%. So just no shorts yet. It's still here, but I'm not in this trade yet. No volume here yet. So I don't trade 1 minute setups. I don't trade 1 minute chart. I don't trade 1 minute setups, and like especially like silver bullet 1 minute setups. It's just not for me. And yeah, I got it. Don't worry, Sam. Samuel. Da da da. What's up with this chap? What's up with this chap? How I'm trading SPX on prop firms? It's not allowed. I trade ES. Using just SPX. I execute when like I see entry point on SPX, just click sell or buy button, adjusting my stop loss on ES, and that's it. SPX and ES are very similar to each other, so not yet. I will trade a reaction from 25%. We got no reaction, but this one is my trade idea. Maybe for later, maybe. I don't know. It's not valid yet. Don't be in rush, guys. Don't be in rush. I need to get strong closure. We got this. And I need a strong reaction. To get strong reaction, it's not yet. Still nothing for me. I mean, I already took one W, so let's just wait for another one. Honestly speaking, 30-minute chart looks bullish. Hourly chart looks bullish as well. 4 chart looks bullish as well. See how this candle failed to take previous candle low? It's bullish signal, honestly. Let's see if we're gonna like break above New York midnight open. We're still below this level on both ES and NQ. We still trading below weekly open and daily open on ES and NQ. Just nothing yet. Mixing signals, I would say. $76, $92. We will see. 92 lines up with daily open, by the way. And what level you set on NQ? 233. Oh, basically, we were there. Good call. Dun-dun-dun. Your book price. Well, let's talk about this. I'm transparent about everything, so I don't set the price for a book on Amazon. Why? Because you need to have like minimum price that you can set to sell this. Minimum price Amazon sets for this book, you see like on Amazon. I don't even know what's the price there. I believe it's around like $35 or so. It doesn't mean, guys, when I sell a book on Amazon for $35, my profit is $35. Okay? My profit for one book I sold on Amazon is $5. Once again. I don't remember exact price I sell this, like $35 or $40, but my profit from each sale is $5. Everything else is Amazon commission. If I'm gonna set my price lower, which Amazon doesn't let me to do this, I'm gonna be negative. I'm gonna be negative in profit. So that's why Amazon doesn't let me to do this, to set price lower. Because they print this book, they do everything, they ship this. I hope it makes sense. That's how Amazon works, and that's why I don't recommend to sell something on Amazon. Even less, like for something. Don't remember exactly. So, yeah. Just don't think like I make millions. Cannot count these millions, unfortunately. So it is what it is. That's why that price is there, because I can make this less, because Amazon doesn't let me to do this. You know, Maxim, I will let you know. Probably you didn't know this. I have lots of followers, subscribers, and only 1% really knows I have a book, because I never ever promoted it. Even less than 1%. You don't need a book, come on. Just go on my website, even if everything is free. For NVIDIA, I don't know. See how we're fighting with 70.5% and 25% right now with SPX? Where's this book, by the way? I'm gonna show you now something. Wait a minute, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you. There's YouTube chat. That is my book. It's about ICT 2022 mentorship. Once again, you don't need to sell this. You don't need to buy this. But I'm gonna show you something. See this? Guess what is this? It's ICT signature. So ICT signed this book. Yeah, ICT signed this book when it was like 6 months ago. So it's like his signature, guys. Michael, is he here? Hello. So he signed this book, even stamp here, see? For Christmas, I think so. Like it was like January, maybe. No, he didn't actually. I mean, I sent like he asked me to send him a book. I don't remember. It was winter, 2025, 2026. I don't remember. I mean, like 6 months ago, 7 months ago. When was winter? And yeah, I mean, you were in the chat. Most people saw this. Michael asked me to send the book. I sent him the book. Yeah. And he signed this. Oh, 2025, actually. It says 2025. Oh, yeah, guys. Still nothing happening? Okay. I didn't meet ICT. I just sent my book to his house. Why does everyone in the internet call ICT a shroud? Because it's stupid. It's not about this, you know? They call ICT Concept as like shit. But in reality, I can call like order flow, supply and demand, I know like trend lines, support and resistance shit as well. Why? Because, you know, guys, just once I tried this, it didn't work for me. That's why it's scam, you know? People think they watching, like, after watching one video from ICT's YouTube channel, they didn't get this. By default, like, it means shit, scam. It doesn't work, okay? That's why they call this, because they cannot... they cannot listen, they cannot watch this. I mean, guys, let's be honest. I know, like, Michael's lectures, they kind of boring. It's hard to... That's really hard to listen this, like, entire lecture, because it's, like, 2 hours, 3 hours. That's why they just scroll on, like, Oh, you know, guys, what? I'm gonna show you something now. Interesting. Can I see, like, likes on Instagram? What I liked before. Your activity, maybe? Oh, yeah, likes. Yesterday was funny. How can I send this to my computer? I'm gonna show. It was super funny yesterday. We're gonna watch this now. I need to, like, turn on my sound as well. Oh, not this chat. Is it USB? Can you listen this? Can you hear the sound? How can I listen? You know what? Yes. You know what? Yesterday, after watching this, damn, I'm gonna send link in the chat so you can damn. Not this one. Let me send the link again. Yesterday, after watching this video, I was like, damn, Dasha, it's you. Yeah, guys, that's me. I was really proud of myself when I was watching like entire lecture for 2 hours without like pause this video. I sent link. That girl doesn't know the appointment they're waiting her turn. Why? God. What do you say to the big successful professional traders that say ICT concept is basically bullshit and 90% of traders that follow him doesn't make money? When the professional trader says this, why they say this? Simply because, you know what, it doesn't, like imagine I'm professional, you know what, it doesn't work. 90% of people doesn't make money. Why? Because I said so. For me, it looks exactly like this. No proofs, nothing. Just because I said so. Alga? Fair value gaps? What are you talking about? I have no idea what is this. Obviously, it's a scam. This is how it looks for me, guys. It's super stupid to say this. As long as you make money, who cares if it's like fair value gap or imbalance or gap in volume or call this whatever you like. If you make money with this, like who gives, you know what? If it's fair value gap once again or any other like level, if it's supply and demand or just order block, who cares? If it like if you want to call this order block, call this order block. If you don't like this, how it like if it's how it sounds like order block, call this supply and demand. No one gives F, you know what? That's it. Honestly, looks bullish now. Looks bullish to me. You know what? I like longs again. Let me see. Same setup probably here. Let's get the closure. Yeah, вернулся. I start liking this, you know? Let's see if we're gonna get same setup as we took before. Yeah, I'm not trying to predict ICT, by the way. I'm just trying to like, it's just critical thinking right now. Same as why some people love, let's say, physics or math. Some people like philosophy. Some people like trade ICT, some people like to trade order flow, institutional levels. Call this whatever you like, who cares? Check my notes before. Where? I'm gonna probably long. Now. I like the displacement. We'll trade TPT. I like this one. We got the closure. We'll put stop loss over here. I'm gonna aim for a new high of the day, I guess. I like it. Let's try. Trading might take profit trader right now. Oh, and Apex. Complete luck my Lucid and Tradify. I'm getting there, so no reason to risk what I made. So try and same setup I took before. Ugh. Kind of lagging. NinjaTrader lagging. Let's see. I mean, I just broke above previous daily range level. We're holding above 930. I'm open. Looks promising. I like how the 30-minute candle looks here. It's bullish as well. We're trying to break above 50% of previous 30-minute candle. Once you're breaking above, it should like fly. Because, for example, let me show you something. So when I see, can you see my SPX chart? You should. When I see SPX like this, our first scenario, like how we want to trade and break below 25%, we want to short this. And yes, short was here, but what I expect to get once we get in the closure below 25%, I expect to get price immediately trying to drop. So like this. We're going down, 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 down. This never happened. So instead, what happened? We chopped around a little bit and price expanded higher, closed above 70.5%. So which tells me it's not ready to drop yet. Maybe, you know what? Maybe it's gonna wait. God, Dasha, what's wrong with your nose today? Maybe it's gonna wait for NVIDIA earnings. And once again, as said before, I don't really mind to see Wednesday makes low of the week. But honestly speaking, right now, only good short was here. And could be here, continuation. I deleted already. It could be here, continuation. But what happened? We never got reaction. We never got reaction from 25%, which by default means Dasha, stay away. Instead, we got another break above 70.5%. Exactly the same setup we got this morning. So it's our like exactly same long we took before. So let's see if like second try will work. Maybe. I don't know. We will see. But it's still trying to stay above 70.5%. Definitely looks bullish to me. Ow. Because, I mean, I really want to find example for you to show you. Actually, let me try to find example for you. What I mean by short or long above 25%. Where to find example? Like we're breaking, I know, like let me try to go somewhere here. Cannot find. Not here. Here was a short. I guess we took the short like a long time ago. I just want to show you example with oh, I guess this one, right? Yeah, let me do replay mode now. I'm gonna show you example now with this trade. I mean, like, see guys, we got the closure below 70.5%. What we anticipate to get? We anticipate to get short. So basically, you want to short at the open of next candle. Stop loss gonna be, it's up to you, 50%, or you want to put your stop loss above the RTH gap. It's like up to you. You want to aim for gap fill and near liquidity level. For example, it can be here, this one. Next, what we're gonna do? If we have draw higher, obviously we do have this. We want to use 2-minute OB structure for this. So which one was, I guess, here, because this candle first touches liquidity level. It was order block. So we want to long from here. How can I place like trade in replay mode? That's your trade. Stop loss is up to you. So that's your first trade. Oh God, super slow. Did we hit 25%? Yeah. That's your first trade. Second trade, we got the closure above 25%. So what we want to see? We want to see immediate reaction. So basically, we're trying to trade above this level all the time. For example, here I can place long. I do like this placement here. I'm going to put my stop loss over here, and I'm going to aim for higher from level. For example, it can be this one. Like, for example, I just don't know. At this point, we're really trying to trade above this level, right? Above 25%. Like, it's just example. Right? Here, what is going on today? We broke above 70.5%. Nice, amazing. We longed this morning. We saw short to 25%. But what happened here? Yes, we broke below 25%. Everything is amazing, perfect, brilliant. I know, like, cool, great, good. But what happened here? We actually failed to trade below 25%, which makes me feel like it's not ready to drop yet. If in that example I showed you before, was it here? See, we started trading immediately above 25%. Today, in today's example, it's really struggling to trade below 25%. So at this point, I don't like short just yet. I feel like it's not ready yet. Right now, we're trading same setup, so basically break above 70.5%. That's it. But let's see if it's gonna hit this untapped fair value gap. I hope I answered your question because, like, initially I like shorts, but what I want to see, we're trading below this level. So fair value gap is approximately here. We'll take some off here and some off here. We may, by the way, chop. What time is this now? 11. We may chop a little bit, by the way, because, like, we already got nice expansion, right? We may chop a little bit. I think so. Before NVIDIA earnings. We're from Soviet Union. You think I'm from Soviet Union? I mean, I was born, like, at the end of 90s, but I'm not that old. Let's see if you're gonna tap this fair value gap. Why am I need to trade a login? This dumb notification about USB did not recognize annoying as well. Looking for this untapped fair value gap to hit. Oops. We just tap this one. I'm gonna take this easy. Just trailing here quickly. Fuck, easy price action today, like Dasha. I was so disappointed in price action. I'm gonna take my words back. Can we have this kind of price action every single day? Just asking. Because damn, clean. Interesting if you're gonna chop around a little bit today. I just want to be done for the day. I'm really happy with my profit. So, like, no complaints. Okay, everyone entered giveaway today epics because yesterday people asked for epics. Gold needs to drop. Mexican dance. I told you this yesterday. We need to drop on gold. I don't like longs yet. We need to hit daily for a while. Where's my gold? No way. No way we dropped. What was the problem? Actually, we started dropping to Indonesia. I wanted to drop like from here yesterday. Good. Amazing. Beautiful. Perfect. Nice. Daily fair value gap hit. I want to see more to downside. Big time trader. I know who is this. Well, guys, seriously, I don't like to discuss other traders. I don't like to talk about them because I trade the most important part. I make money, so I don't really care about other people's style or something like this. Really, I don't need to know this. I don't care. Like, really, guys. Damn, Dasha, you're gonna be bold soon. Like, just imagine wasting your life recording the videos, calling someone a scammer. My brain refused to understand this. Imagine wasting your life on this. Instead of like trying to learn something new, trying to learn, I don't know, like how AI works, because AI like will replay lots of jobs in the future. Imagine like spending time with your family. No, instead people are really wasting their life and time to record videos about someone else. I refuse to understand this. It's biggest BS that I don't understand. That's crazy. That's really crazy, guys. I love Patrick Wieland, and probably you know this, guys, because I'm not gonna lie, everything that he says, by the way, he doesn't record videos on YouTube about this BS. Everything he says on X, maybe he's a bit rude, but everything he says is true. It's a fact. But maybe he's a little bit rude. I don't like this part. Yes, I don't like this part. But 99% of what he's saying is true. 99%, not everything. Yeah, Mexican dance, we need to hit 6,600. I mean, guys, I like Patrick, you know this. I mean, lots of people hate him, but I like him. I want to see 6,600. I met Patrick twice in real life. He's nice. He says facts that most people cannot handle. That's true. But once again, not 100% of this, but 90% of what he says is true. It's my opinion. Don't hate me for this, but it's my opinion. I want to see gold going to 4,600. So break below 50% of daily fair value gap. That's what I want to see on gold. I talked about this yesterday. I want to see lower. You don't like him, but you like me? But once again, we don't discuss other people here, okay? Let's just focus on trading and discuss me. Okay? You can discuss me. I'm an amazing person. Oh, God. You learn this shit? You trade in SPX as well? So, yeah. I'm thinking what I want to do next. I need to charge my car because I have 20% there, but it's gonna take 30 minutes. Instead, I can go to gym for these 30 minutes. But at this point, my car will stay uncharged. Hard choice. What to do better? Gym or charge my car? Gym or charge my car? Gym or charge my car? I need to go to Tesla charger station. Buy a gas car. Guys, I really was trying to buy a gas car. I really went to like different dealerships to do this test drive. But do both. I can't do both. It's super hot outside. I cannot do workout outside. In my complex, I have gym, but I need to go to Tesla supercharger first. It's gonna take 30 minutes to charge. Instead, I could waste this time in the gym. Take a walk. I wish I could take a walk, but it's super hot outside. Oh, okay, sorry about this. Sometimes I'm getting too emotional. Sorry about this. I will try to control myself. Yeah, Patrick, by the way, not like this in real life. He's nice. Hot is excuse, actually. Damn, it's super hot. It's not great for your heart. I mean, it's great, like, if it's not too long, but, like, not super great, though. I have supercharge in my complex, but it's super slow. And my car in the garage. I don't want to put this outside for, like, 3 hours. It's gonna be super hot inside then. Look how we're trying to react from this fair value gap still. Nice. Would like to see a retest of old buy side here. That's why I put my second target there. Oops. At 76.99. Barbara, he sells it for $50, not 50,000. I want to do upper body today. My legs still hurt after my last workout. Let's see if you're gonna hit 76.99 now. If price gonna hit my break even, I'm gonna be done. I believe it's gonna be chop the rest of the day because we have Nvidia earnings. That's why I don't want to sit through this chop, because I know if I'm gonna sit through this chop, I'm gonna waste my life in front of my charts. Instead, I can go to the gym or charge my car. Hard choice. Can we move to... I already moved to break even. It's up to you. I already put at break even. I took partial and trail to break even. Is no longer good? I mean, technically it can be good. I just don't know how much time it can take to deliver to final TP. I just aware of like Nvidia earning today. I really don't want to get chopped. Like everything can happen. I already said like I'm gonna be flexible with my bias. I see invalidation. Maybe it's gonna be short if you're gonna break below 25% again, you know? Just chilling now. Like seriously, everything can happen. I don't mind to see the test of old equal highs here. That's why my TP is there. Then I would like to see new high of the day. And then I'm gonna leave running to previous daily high on ES. So basically right now execute same trade idea I took before. This morning we took this together. It could be our third long, but we didn't have time to fill our first long because it was super fast. After this trade, I'm just gonna chill. I already took partial. For me, it's two nice W's today. And seriously, guys, you know what? After, I would say, almost 2 weeks of chop, today's price action really solid. Really solid. Oops. Today feels like normal. I feel like I'm just in sync with market, like when we have this kind of price action. Because like yesterday wasn't bad, by the way, the 9 AM session. Like before 10, it was good. But oral week was kind of tricky. And that's the problem. We're getting... Pasha, I was up $3 yesterday. What I wanted to say. Oh, yeah, we're getting nice move for, I would say, first hour of market. Like even less, 30 minutes. And then it's just ugly chop. And you're trying to trade this low market, you're getting chopped, so you're getting cooked inside these perfect conditions. And the problem is I'm just wasting my life watching this shit. I wanted to gold still lower. Honestly speaking, let's drop another 40 points on gold. Yes, Mexicans. I mean, I know. You're right. Where's 2R for this trade? 1 sec. So far we partialed and price trend. I mean, seriously, guys, because of NVIDIA earnings, I really anticipate to get chopped. You need to be aware of this at 25% because if price breaking below this level and with trading like this, where is my drawings? Where is this drawings? Over here, yeah. If price breaking at this point it broke above 25% and keep trading below this level, at this point it's trading above because it's bullish structure here, I may consider like drop, but I'm not gonna trade anymore today. It's enough for me. So far I got 1 hour. It's okay. I mean, seriously, I'm happy with this. I will take it, I would say. I will take it. Okay, I'm out. Perfect, guys. Really happy with price action today. Looking accounts here. Completely. Disconnect. And going to disconnect my CPT. Done for the day. Let's do giveaway. Nice day. Small partial. Happy with everything I did today. Like really good performance. 1 hour here. Nice. We got around like 1.6 hour. 2 good W's for me. Happy with this. Could be worse, right? Let's do giveaway, guys. I'm gonna give you just 1 more minute to enter giveaway. Today is NVIDIA earnings, so I'm gonna just chill. Wait for tomorrow. Happy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you like a little bit of time to enter giveaway. Just 1 more minute, and we'll start giveaway. No. Damn. Nice perception, like seriously. And all we did, we used just SPX today. And the confirmation for what? I don't see like entry now. I mean, it's still expecting 70.5%. Okay. Everyone entered. Finally giveaway. People were waiting for this. Still expecting. I'm not gonna re-enter, but 70.5% still expecting. Okay, let's pick first winner. Let's pick first winner. Yesterday people asked for epics. Let's do TPT tomorrow, okay? Jordan trade _ trade. You wanna count? Are you here? Are you with us? Yeah, I see you. Let's pick second winner. I can't read this. You won. You're very welcome. I see you. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm doing giveaways every single day, around like 11 or so. JJ Trader BR. Nice. Nice. Let's wait. Usually, guys, if you're in my channel, I'm gonna tell you how it works. You need to fill the form. If it's your first time, you have to confirm your email. I still like longs, by the way, on yes. You need to confirm your email just once if it's your first time. If it's your second time, already confirmed email before, no reason to confirm. And you have 1 minute to claim your price if you see your username on screen. You need to confirm, not confirm, say like, I'm here, like I won. I usually also send like the name in the chat. And he not going to get account because he didn't claim this. Okay, picking another one. So what happens after 1 minute? I'm just going to like delete this winner, remove, and we're gonna pick another one. Another one. Oops. Waiting again. Just, I'm not gonna do it, guys. Damn, this USB device not recognized, annoying. This notification like popping here every single 5 seconds. Damn, that's crazy. I already log account. I'm happy with my profit today. We'll take it. Here, I see you. Good job. Good job. You got it. You got it. So guys, once again, NVIDIA earnings. We have added 24-hour trading session. It combines regular one. What? Okay, let's do quick prediction. Okay. Hey. Maybe we're not gonna do quick prediction. Oh, it's my weekly chart. Let's do quick prediction. I like to see lower. Looking at this picture, I want to see lower. Let's do something real quick here. It's me or it's really lagging so bad? What the heck is that? Well, I want to see 200 on NVIDIA. Oh, yeah. I don't know, guys. I want to see lower on NVIDIA today. Once again, I'm not good at prediction of earnings, but damn. Let's drop today. Okay. I don't know yet. And I have no idea if I'm gonna be right. But let's predict. NVIDIA will go to 201. Maybe something like this. I was right last earnings. You know, I mean, I don't like to predict earnings results. Maybe minor pullback, so which can be manipulation. Guys, who got puts on NVIDIA? Tell me like what you see. I'm not gonna get puts. Yeah. Let's see if I'm right. If I'm gonna be right, it's gonna be funny. So I want to see 201, 202. Okay, 201, 202 area on NVIDIA. Why I want to see this? Because looking at weekly chart, what we got? Nice consolidation here. Price went from lower quadrant to upper quadrant. We swept upper quadrant buy side. We went to 50% and price trying to break below 50% of this consolidation. Nice displacement below this level. So definitely at NVIDIA, we can manipulate up on this level around like 215, 214. Then we can drop to lower quadrant, which is gonna be 201. I'm not gonna get puts. I don't like to play this lottery, to be honest. On Bitcoin, yes, I want to see 82,000. On Bitcoin, nothing changed. I want to see we're going up. I want to see Bitcoin going to 82,000. Yeah. Nothing changed since then. Definitely we can retrace down first, back to 77, fail to close below these levels and pull back like this. This can happen. Mexican dance, what are you talking about? You know, guys, I'm holding Bitcoin since 2016. Well, I will go to the gym and I need to charge my car because I don't have like battery. Like it's 20%. I like when I have like 50 at least. When I see 20, it's already like I start being nervous because of this. Like 20, not enough for me. If I need to go like somewhere, this I-95, damn, 20% is nothing. Oh, supercharger right across the street from my house. It's like 1 minute drive. Okay, not 1 minute, like 5 minute drive. Okay, let's see how NVIDIA today will perform. Because, you know, guys, if I want to see NVIDIA lower, maybe minor manipulation up first, around like 50%. This means indices will drop as well, right? Okay. Let's chill now. Guys, you want giveaway accounts? I'm gonna send you them like in 2 minutes. If I will forget to send in 2 minutes, I will send you tonight, okay? Guys, any other questions? Any other questions? Oops. Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to send me. Let's hit the like button. And if you want to support the channel, don't forget to use code LUMI for Take Profit Trader to get 40% off. Lucid Tradify 40% off as well. And 90% off on Epics. Also, if you want to try Funded Next Futures, they're in up to 50% off now on Funded Next Futures Rapid Daily accounts and Pro accounts. So guys, not bad day for today. So we killed this. Somehow I felt this. I still don't mind the SPX slightly higher though. Let me see. Yeah. Still don't mind to see high. I'm not going to enter. I already lock out accounts. I don't even have accounts to trade. But I don't mind to see another leg up. We're still holding above 70.5%. As long as we're above this level, overall, as long as we're above 25%, I want to see higher. I'm not sure about how big move can be here because it can jump like again to these highs or these highs. Maybe we'll jump to previous daily high level on ES. I wouldn't mind, honestly. But I like it. I like it. Good price action today. Really good price action. Thanks, SPX. Good price action today. Yeah, yesterday, guys, when I was talking about like which man I could date, guys, I'm married. It was like, if I wasn't married, I could like date this kind of person, for example. I was basically joking around, but guys, jokes aside, 5 DMs about this right after stream. Are you kidding me? I don't want to date anyone. It was a joke. I said my husband like just once asked me if I could date, for example, black men. I said yes. It doesn't mean like I want to date him now because I'm married. Guys, what are you talking about? Why are you even asking me? Only 5. Yes, on Instagram. Did not check X yet. So yeah, don't do this, okay? You take this seriously? It was funny. Yeah, I sent... yeah, Maxim, it's crazy, right? On ES, yellow line. Yellow line on ES. I don't see yellow line on ES. Where do you see this? Yellow line. Was done. Everything's that bad? It's gone already. I guess it was early change in the state of delivery. Was it here? Was it here? If so, it was probably early change in the state of delivery. Now it's confirmed change in the state of delivery. Like bearish order block. I don't trade in Q only this month. Because last year I was trading in Q and every single account was gone. Disappeared. Yeah, I just confirmed order block now. We just confirmed change in the state of delivery on 2. On 3-minute chart, I'm not sure we have nice order block. Like, oh, actually here, sequence is just 1 candle. Well, guys, I mean, I'm not gonna trade. I don't even have accounts to trade. Everything lock out. Barbara. Well, guys, love you. See you tomorrow. I will go to the gym. I don't want to waste my time because I need to pick my kids up from school at 1:30 p.m. Then I need to cook food for them. Then we need to go to jiu-jitsu. Yeah. Love you guys. If you have any questions, send me a message in Discord and Instagram, Twitter, somewhere, but not about like dating or like how much you love me, because guys, you know what? I don't like to read messages, I love you. Please, no, don't do this. I don't like read messages like I love you or hello, and that's it. Hey, and that's it, okay? Don't do this, okay? If you have like a real question, like about give me money, yes, well, or give me account. If you have a real question, guys, ask me, but don't send me messages like I love you or hi, and that's it. I don't know what to respond, guys. I'm gonna ignore you. Tell me here, like you love me, I'm gonna tell you I love you, and that's it. Flat candle, basically wickless candle. Candle that does not have wick. Okay? Well, guys, peace. If any questions, feel free to send me questions, but normal questions, okay? Like about something important, like vital, guys. It's like really important question. I need your help. I don't understand how it works. I will help you. If you're going to send me like, hi, hello, I'm not going to reply hi or hello, okay? It's wasting of your time and my time. Something important, okay? Okay, guys, peace. Love you. See you tomorrow.